Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Realme 9 smartphone, and in this video we're going to demonstrate the two ways of setting the Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way is to do it from the settings app, so let's go ahead and open it. Here, scroll down until you stumble upon the apps category. At the apps category page, go for the default apps. Here choose the browser app, and all that is left to do is to select Opera, and we are all set, as you can see. Second way to do that is available from the Opera application directly, so let's open it up. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on the avatar picture of yours, go for this gear icon that stands for settings, and scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser section, tap on it, click on next, select Opera, and set as default. And that will also mean that we have successfully set the Opera as our default browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!